Hello everyone, my name is Bryan Jung, a member of Instruments Without Border. In the next couple of weeks, I'll be making trumpet tutorials for beginners. For those of you who don't know, trumpet is a brass instrument and is played through playing the mouthpiece. Interestingly enough, the trumpet is one of the few instruments that can play both classical and jazz music. Before we get into the actual video, I want to make sure that everyone watches the introduction video to Instruments Without Border. So for those of you who still hasn't watched the introduction video, I'll make sure to put a link down in the description so that you can go take a look. Now, in today's first lesson of the trumpet, I would like to go over the structure of the trumpet, how it's built, and what each part does. Now, here I have my trumpet here. I have the main body and I have my mouthpiece. Now, mouthpiece is where you actually play. And playing on the mouthpiece is actually quite similar to how you'd play on the actual trumpet. You can make small buzzing sounds. And I'll go over how we play on the trumpet in the next video. So to go over the structure of the trumpet, we now have the mouthpiece receiver over here in the top part. We have the three valves. We have the first piston valve, the second piston valve, and the third piston valve. These valves are here so that we can change pitch on the trumpet. Now the finger hook is also here so that when your right hand goes on top of the trumpet, when it goes like this, it can stay over here on the top or it can go right in here. And you play with your three fingers on the three valves. Now looking a little bit down below, we have the first slide and the third slide. So these slides are here so that you can change pitch according to what you hear. We also have the water keys here and here, so that when we play on the horn, when there's water in your trumpet and spit, you want to pull this out, blow on it, so that you won't have any watery sounds. Now, if you look here, we have the main slides here going through, and we have the bell here. Now, I'm going to go over how we hold the trumpet here, and to take a look from the sideways, your left hand, you use your thumb and your fourth finger to put your finger inside the third and first key trigger. Now once you hold it like this, there are several ways to hold the trumpet. Some people prefer to put their pinky finger below the trumpet. I like it so that it's on the side. That's just more comfortable for me, but please feel free to experiment with different ways and try it out. Now, your right hand position, I talked to you a little bit earlier, so I'm gonna go from this side. When you have your fingers like this, you're going to want your three fingers up here on the valves and your pinky finger on the finger hook. Now, what you want to do with your thumb is you can do several things. You can tuck it under here, like me, or you can put it on the side, or you can just float it on the air. So, try out different finger positions, but try not to deviate too much from what I just told you. And in the next video, I'll go over how to create a sound on the trumpet, first with the mouthpiece, and then we'll try playing on the horn. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.